Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are doing great. Or today I'm gonna cut my hair, like not my whole hair, but I'll cut my fringes. Like before I used to keep fringes, but it's been a very long time मैंने अपना fringes नहीं रखा. Now I have like this. So I thought like this time I wanted to keep a fringes hair. So let's get started. I will just comb like this. So first I wanted to keep fringes, so that's why I'll take a middle partition first. Okay, this is my middle partition, and यहाँ से लूँगी थोड़ा सा है, another one यहाँ से लूँगी थोड़ा सा. So yeah, this much is enough, I guess. So first middle one, I wanted to keep something till here, so I'll cut this one. I don't know, this scissor is really एकदम भी hair नहीं cut हो रहा है, so I'll cut it like this. There we go. I don't know what kind of this one. So it's something just like this, and I'll keep this one this side because I know how much partition is there. So इसको ही मैं side पर लूँगी, and I'll keep something here little bit how I'll say this, not straight, little bit slide, and I'm gonna cut something just like this. Okay, so I need to make little bit short. So first I will cut little bit more because my scissor is not good, but okay, no, it's okay. I think this part is not needed, but this part is okay. So this part also I'll cut. Yeah. This is fine. I'll not keep much more. I'll not cut very thick hair, very less. So I think I need to what do you think, guys? I need to cut little more, or this is fine. I think I need to cut little more because I can't keep like this. I can keep like this, so I cannot keep like this. Or this is good. So first for the middle portion only, I will cut little bit shorter. This much, I'll keep it little bit shorter. Now this one is little bit shorter. Still, it's not that much, but it's okay. I think it's fine. But the side one I need to cut. I don't know how many times I did the same thing because this scissor is not good at all. This scissor also same to same. It's better to cut with blade. So I think I need to cut like this, very roughly, very roughly. So I think this is fine. More than that, it's not good. I think this is fine. So I'll just do like this. Just like that. Okay. I'll just check in the mirror, like how it's looking. I think this is fine. I don't know. What do you think, guys? This is good or पहले का ही अच्छा था? I don't know. So I'll just comb my hair. It's kind of my hair looks dry because मैंने conditioner use नहीं किया. I thought I'll cut my full hair, but वो सीज़र तो काफ़ी अच्छा है तो I don't want to take risk. So next time maybe I'll cut my full hair by my own self. So now for this one, for today, this much only. I think this is enough. So what do you think, guys? This is good. I cannot keep my fringes properly, so I'll just keep it like this, something just like this. I think more than this one it doesn't look great, more than in this one. So please so how it's looking. So कैसा लग रहा है मुझे? Like before पहले का hair style अच्छा था या this one is good? So please comment in the comment box. So hope you guys enjoy my video, and the next time if I cut my hair, then I'll try to cut my full hair. So hope you guys enjoy my video, and we'll meet in the next video very soon. So bye bye, see you, take care, and stay safe, stay home.